Hey everybody out there in the YouTube world, it's your boy Dusha Diesel Technician. Today we're going to be replacing the alternator on a 2002 Ford Focus. Yeah, it's ridiculous. They got it all the way back here behind the engine, down in there. You got to remove all the stuff. I had to remove the overflow tank for the radiator. So now I'm about to remove power steering fluid. Out of the way. I'm not going to disconnect this. I don't feel like draining the fluid or nothing. So I'm just going to set it out the way. Plus it's out of the way enough. Now I'm going to remove this solenoid. What size screws are they? Look like they might be 7 millimeters, and I'm right. They are 7 millimeters. So we're gonna use 7 mil. Here's my extension. I'm using a 1/4-inch gear wrench ratchet, by the way. For anybody that's curious. Just a little gear wrench with a little extension, 7-inch socket. Okay, you want to take the bolt off, so we're going to take this little solenoid loose. Now when I work with these small bolts like this, I use a magnet. I use this magnet here, this puller, this inspection mirror with a magnet combination, because I don't like to drop these little annoying bolts, man. Seems like, you know what, I'll take this off. I'm just going to use this. Wow, this little thing got just enough clearance for me to get this socket in there. Thought I wasn't gonna make it in for a second. It was looking shaky. I just break it with the ratchet and then finish turning it with the extension. That's all you need. Sometimes the ratchet will just make the whole thing turn. So you got more control with just rolling your fingers mechanism. And see how I catch the screws? They never fall. See that? Okay. Put this back here. Take the solenoid. Oh shit. That's right. Can't make no wrong.